show you how to put it together and fit it. So this is your headgear. It does say Evora on the pack, so you want to make sure that's right side up and you can read it. So you're going to take your Velcro strap and you're going to insert it through the hole and then just Velcro it to itself. Then you'll do the same thing on the other side. And just push that in and Velcro it to itself. So now you're ready to fit the mask, and what you're going to do is you're going to take it and put it right under your nose, and then take your blue strap and just pull it down in the back, and everything else is going to fall into place. So this little strap is going to go on top. It can be adjusted. You just pull and then press it into the hole that you need, and that's how you adjust the top. The back is Velcro, so you can tighten it as needed. You just want it tight enough where it seals well. You don't want it to push your nose up or anything like that. So this mask does need to be washed once a week in mild soap and water. You do want to wash this piece every day. You can either do it soapy water washing every single day, or you can use a non-alcoholic wipe such as a sweet CPAP wipe. This whole thing comes off just by pulling up, and then you just pull and this piece comes off as well. And then to put it back together, it fits right back in, and then this hits right back on top. Very simple. So you're going to change that completely every 2 weeks. But then again, you're going to wash weekly and then this piece daily. So that is the Evora mask. If you have any questions or concerns, just give us a call.